This video is going to show you how to possibly fix the GoView license error that you may receive in Trackster 3. For example, when I open up Trackster 3 here, we'll see that a message pops up that says GoView license check built using Go diagram for .NET Windows Forms 2.4, etc. And then you click the OK button, and then you get this other error message that gets to be pretty annoying. And you click OK again, and Trackster does not open. So there's two ways to possibly fix this problem. If you go to the Start button and you click Run, and then you type in seccpol.msc, security policies, and then you go to Local Policies, Security Options, you double click that, and you scroll down to where it will say System Cryptography, use FIPS compliant algorithms for encryption, hashing, and signing. So you can see currently it's enabled. If you double click that, you can change that to disabled. Now, in order to change these settings, you have to be logged in with the proper credentials. So if you get an error message at some point before even this screen that allows you to not get to this location, then you're going to have to log in as some type of administrator. However, if you got this far, you disabled the system cryptography, use FIPS, etc. setting, then you can close it out and try to open up Trackster, and you'll see now that Trackster opens up. So we're going to try this again so you can see another way of doing it. Let's go back to this spot here to disable it. Enable it. Okay, so we re-enabled the FIPS cryptography, and we're getting this error again. So a different way to change this setting is you go to Run again and type in regedit, regedit, and click OK, and the user account control might have to authenticate you. Again, to get to this location in your computer, you will probably have to have administrative rights. So if you can't get this far, then you're out of luck unless if you log in as an administrator of some sort. So then you go to the H key local machine. You can double click that. Then go to the current control set, as you can see right here. Notice how there's other control sets. I have 001 and 002. You want to go to the one that does not have index values. So current control set, double click it, and then double click the control, or go to control. Mine's already opened up because I've been here previously before. And then go down to LSA, and then go down to FIPS Algorithm Policy. So down here you can see the full path to where I've gone. So it's in your computer registry. You go to H key local machine, system, current control set, control, LSA, FIPS Algorithm Policy. And I'll scroll up just so you can see where we're at here. So in the computer, H key local machine, system, current control set, control, LSA, FIPS Algorithm Policy. And you'll see in here there's a registry value that's called enabled, and you'll see that it currently has a value of 1. That means it's true. It's true that it's enabled. So if you just double click this, you can change this value to 0 or false. In other words, we want to disable this value. So I click OK, and you can see that value has been changed to 0. So if I close out the registry now and go back to Trackster and open it up, you can see that we have fixed the problem. So these two methods do the same thing. It's not one's better than the other. It's just the first method, where you go to the local policy settings or the security policy settings. It's more of it's a user-friendly kind of way. You can see a graphical interface, whereas the registry way, the second method that I showed you, is the way to get into the registry. Whereas, in fact, going to the first way just changes that registry method, not the registry value. So I hope this fixed your problem.